When working with basic addition, it helps to understand one of the main rules of addition, the commutative property. This refers to the position in which numbers are added together. In an addition sum, the position of the numbers does not matter. For example, if we were to take 4 and add it to 3, this would give us an answer of 7. Now, if we swap the positions of the numbers 4 and 3, we would still generate the same answer. As we look at another sum with larger numbers, it helps if we align our numbers in respect of their place values. So, our number 54, which has a 5 in the tens column and a 4 in the units column, will be aligned with our other number 23, which has a 2 in the tens column and a 3 in the units column. If you want to know more about the importance of place value, please check out my other video on place value. Now that we have aligned our numbers, we can add them column by column. 4 plus 3 is 7, and 5 plus 2 is also 7. Now we have our answer of 77. This method is referred to as the column method. Let's take a look at another addition sum. This time we'll have to approach the calculation a little differently. We're going to add 184 to 153. We start by aligning our numbers in their correct columns based on their place values, and then add them column by column. 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 5 is 13, and here we have to do something a little different. We have to carry over a 1 to the next column. This is because we've added our numbers in the tens column together and they have totaled more than 10, and 10 tens make another 100. So we are going to draw a little 1 underneath our answer line so that we know to add another 1 to our hundreds column. Now when we add our numbers in our hundreds column together, we have 1 plus 1 is 2, plus the 1 we carried over, which gives us 3. We now have our answer of 337. There are many different ways to do addition calculations. Another way is the partition method. In this method, we partition our numbers into their respective place values and add them to one another. For example, if we wanted to add the two numbers 441 and 258, we would split the first number up into 400, 40, and then 1. The second number will be split up into 200, 50, and 8. Now we just add each of the hundreds, tens, and units. 400 plus 200 is 600, 40 plus 50 is 90, and 1 plus 8 is 9. If we then piece our answer together, we get 699. This is just another method of addition. There are many, and it's important to choose one that you feel comfortable with. I hope this has helped and you now understand more about basic addition. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to subscribe to the channel.